Understanding Narcotics, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting and important topic to discuss: narcotics. We'll dive into what this word means, its usage, and some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started. Narcotics refer to a class of substances that can change a person's perception, mood, or consciousness. These substances often have pain-relieving properties and can produce a sense of euphoria or well-being. However, they are also known for their potential to cause dependence and have various legal restrictions around them. Narcotics can be divided into two main categories: legal and illegal. 1. Legal narcotics. These are medications prescribed by a doctor to relieve severe pain. Examples include morphine, fentanyl, and codeine. 2. Illegal narcotics. These are substances that are banned due to their potential for abuse and harmful effects. Examples include heroin and certain types of synthetic opioids. To help you understand how to use the term narcotics in sentences, here are some examples. 1. The doctor prescribed some narcotics to help manage the patient's pain after surgery. 2. In this sentence, narcotics refers to pain-relieving medication prescribed by a doctor. 3. Illegal narcotics trafficking is a major issue that law enforcement agencies around the world are trying to combat. 4. Here, narcotics refers to illegal substances that are being trafficked. While narcotics can be useful for pain management under medical supervision, they also come with potential risks. 1. Addiction. Narcotics have a high potential for addiction, even when used as prescribed. 2. Overdose. Taking too much of a narcotic can lead to overdose and potentially death. 3. Illegal activities. Trafficking and using illegal narcotics can lead to legal consequences and negatively impact one's health. We hope this video has helped shed light on the meaning and use of the term narcotics. Remember, while they can be helpful for pain management, it's crucial to use them responsibly and be aware of the potential risks. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.